To 1 kilo of chicken breast, which I've just sliced into relatively thick, relatively large pieces because we want this chicken to stay nice and juicy, we're going to add plenty of sweet paprika. I'll leave the quantities in the description box below. Garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and freshly cracked black pepper. A little dash of your favourite hot sauce, I'm using sriracha, a dash of lemon juice, and this may seem like a strange step, but a little bit of mayonnaise. So the mayo is just to help your cornflakes or your breading to adhere to your chicken, and you're just going to give this a really good mix, making sure all of your chicken breast is properly coated in those spices. Cover and leave it to marinate in the fridge for as long as you're willing, preferably at least an hour. Next, we're going to dip our chicken into some cornflakes. You can use breadcrumbs instead, and you can cook this at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes or until that chicken is no longer pink. When your chicken is cooked through, let it rest for approximately 5 to 10 minutes just so it can cool a little. And that's really all there is to it. Today I felt like making mine into burgers. You can make them into chicken wraps. I'm serving mine with some potato wedges. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, click that notification bell, and thank you for watching.